In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use drawing tools in TradingView so you can analyze charts more clearly, mark key levels, and plan your trades like a pro. First, open TradingView and load any chart you want. Now look to the left side of your screen. You'll see a vertical toolbar. This is where all your drawing tools live. Let's start with the cursor tool. Click on it and you'll notice options like cross, dot, and arrow. The crosshair is the most useful because it shows you exact price and time, helping you place drawings accurately. Next, move down to the trend line tool. Click on it, then click once on your chart to start the line and drag to where you want it to end. This is perfect for spotting trends, support, and resistance. You can draw along highs or lows to see how price is behaving over time. Now try the horizontal line tool. Just click once on the chart and it will place a straight line across. This is great for marking key levels where price repeatedly reacts, like support and resistance zones. After that, explore the long position tool under the prediction and measurement section. Click it and place it on your chart. You'll see entry, stop loss, and take profit levels appear. This is extremely useful for planning trades and visualizing risk versus reward before entering a position. You can also use the brush or rectangle tools to highlight zones on your chart. For example, you might mark a demand zone or an area of consolidation. This makes your analysis much easier to understand at a glance. Next, try the text tool. Click anywhere on your chart and type notes for yourself. This is helpful if you want to remember why you marked a certain level or what you were thinking during analysis. If you ever make a mistake, just use the eraser tool or right-click any drawing to delete it. You can also drag and adjust any drawing after placing it, so nothing is permanent. And finally, use the measure tool to check price movement or time distance between 2 points. This helps you understand volatility and how far price typically moves. And that's it. Once you get comfortable with these drawing tools in TradingView, your charts will become much more organized and your trading decisions will feel a lot more structured and confident.